Hi everyone, welcome to a new food vlog, and today I'm sharing with you the easiest, crispy, delicious tofu recipe and very healthy as well. And as you can see, only 3 ingredients. We have the extra firm tofu and then the liquid aminos. You can certainly use tamari or soy sauce, but this is my favorite seasoning. It's less salt and healthier alternative. And then of course the other favorite ingredient is the nutritional yeast. It's easy to make, and I will post the recipe down below for easy reference. First step, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step is to drain the liquid from the tofu by pressing the extra liquid out by covering with paper towel, or you can use a towel, and by using a tofu press. I use this granite block because it's heavy, and trying to get as dry as possible and get the water out. Here we go. Look at all the water coming out from the granite press that I use. The key to really a successful recipe is to keep the tofu as dry as possible so that your mixture will really get into the tofu. The next step is to cut the tofu into even cubes, and I like it like about about half an inch big. It's important to make an even cut so that they will cook evenly as well in the oven. Now you can add the cube tofu to a large bowl and use a spatula or a spoon and gently toss it with the liquid aminos until evenly coated, and then add the nutritional yeast. Mix again until it's coated well. You can then transfer the cubes into a baking sheet or pan and bake for 30 minutes until the tofu is crispy. It will get crispier as it cools off. And here is the finished product, the crispy, delicious tofu that you and your family will enjoy. Share it with your family and friends. This is healthy, vegan recipe, and what's not to love. Happy cooking and be inspired.